Level of body control. In sleep paralysis, you feel completely unable to move your physical body, sometimes even struggling with tiny twitches or finger movements. The body feels heavy and locked, creating a sense of being trapped. In astral projection, your physical body may feel paralyzed, but your astral body can move freely. You can float, roll, or walk through your surroundings effortlessly, experiencing full freedom of movement while your physical body remains still. Breathing sensation differences. During sleep paralysis, breathing often feels heavy, restricted, or panicked, sometimes giving a sense of suffocation or pressure on the chest. In astral projection, breathing feels effortless or altered. There's a sensation of lightness or energy flow, as if physical air isn't needed. Many people describe a floating or airy feeling that is calming rather than stressful. Emotional state, fear versus calm. Sleep paralysis is usually accompanied by strong fear, dread, or panic, often triggered by nightmares, dark presences, or hallucinations. In astral projection, the emotional state tends to be calm, curious, or euphoric. Even if there's initial surprise or startle, it fades quickly, leaving a sense of wonder, exploration, and control over the experience. Presence of vibrations or energy waves. Sleep paralysis may produce slight tingling sensations or numbness, often paired with fear or a feeling of pressure. In astral projection, however, these sensations are much stronger and rhythmic, often described as wave-like energy coursing through the body. This is usually accompanied by a sense of lifting or separation, signaling that your astral body is detaching from the physical form. Visuals. Darkness versus environment shift. In sleep paralysis, visual experiences are often limited to darkness, shadows, or brief, distorted glimpses of your room, typically in a frightening or unsettling manner. Astral projection, on the other hand, tends to present full, vivid environments, landscapes, rooms, or ethereal realms that feel immersive, dynamic, and real, yet fluid, sometimes with a glowing or otherworldly quality. Ability to move non-physical body. Sleep paralysis traps you entirely within your physical body, leaving no ability to move, creating a sense of helplessness. In astral projection, movement is smooth, effortless, and intuitive in the astral body. You can float, glide, or explore your surroundings at will, interact with objects, or travel to different planes with conscious control. Auditory hallucinations versus astral sounds. Sleep paralysis often produces disturbing noises such as hissing, knocking, whispers, or unidentifiable sounds that trigger fear. In astral projection, however, you may hear soft, harmonic, or meaningful sounds and voices. These sounds feel calm, purposeful, and distinct from the fear-based hallucinations of sleep paralysis. Sense of separation from the body. Sleep paralysis gives a sensation of being trapped or stuck in your physical body, often heavy, immobile, and frustrating. Astral projection produces a clear sense of detachment, as if your consciousness has lifted from the physical form. This allows free exploration of your surroundings or even other realms without restriction. Clarity and stability of the experience. Sleep paralysis can feel disorienting, dreamlike, or fragmented, leaving a sense of confusion and helplessness. Astral projection, in contrast, tends to feel vivid, clear, and stable, with a consistent sense of presence, awareness, and control throughout the experience. Presence of entities. Fear-based versus neutral light. During sleep paralysis, perceived entities often feel threatening, sinister, or malevolent, intensifying fear. In astral projection, any entities encountered usually feel neutral, benevolent, or luminous, rarely inducing panic, and can sometimes appear guiding or protective. Awareness level, trapped versus conscious choice. In sleep paralysis, you feel trapped and helpless, fully aware of your immobility, but powerless to act. Astral projection involves a higher level of consciousness, where movement, exploration, and actions are intentional and guided by thought, giving a sense of control and freedom. How the experience ends. Sleep paralysis typically ends abruptly when your body snaps awake, often leaving lingering fear or tension. Astral projection can end smoothly, either by returning intentionally to your physical body or by naturally merging back, usually leaving you feeling grounded and in control. After effects upon waking, sleep paralysis may leave lingering fear, tension, or confusion that lasts minutes or hours, sometimes affecting sleep quality. Astral projection usually leaves feelings of calm, expanded awareness, or mild euphoria, often accompanied by clear memory of sights, sounds, and sensations experienced in the astral realm.